Bro, this is nuts, man. First bike and you went off like this, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey! But look, but you see the tires?
No, they're done.
Yeah, and they're from 2015. So if you look in here, just look at all the sitting inside. Oh yeah, she's a little bit lower. I filled in the gap a bit. This Maserati is getting a full like restoration too. PPFing the car. If it didn't have it, it would have scratched the original paint, right? Wow, this thing is nuts, bro. I don't think I've seen one like this.
I bought this from the auction. My buddy is Manny from IMMOBILIZERS.
Okay.
He sent me all the parts, all the carbon to do in it.
Get all hardware.
Bolts everywhere.
Wow. You see the wheels, Alex? Bro, this is nuts, man.
Nickel plated Brembo brakes, full around. Alpha Racing quick shifter. I did stage 2 Bren tuning on it.
Yeah.
Velocity stacks, absolutely everything that you could possibly do.
Yeah, what didn't you do?
Wow.
The only thing I didn't do was the suspension. I was gonna do Olin suspension.
Yeah.
Front and rear.
Are you gonna track the bike?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Getting
First bike and you went off like this, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. Just look,
CCs.
look at the front, man. Like, this is crazy. Intake funnel through the front like that? No, you did really good with this bike, bro. This is spec exactly how I would do one.
You need to get yourself one.
I know, but I used to ride a long time ago.
Yeah.
So it's been at least like 12 years, I think, since I've been. Yeah, 12, 13 years. So if we do one, it would be a showpiece. I would just leave it in the showroom. Now with these two boys, man, for me to get on a bike, I don't know.
Cars are.
Yeah, bro, you've seen the way I drive. I got a heavy foot. Come this way. That's sick. A little boost.
You haven't driven it this year yet, right?
No, I gotta wash it and just give it a quick clean up because it's covered in dust. No, we did everything right before we stored it. Probably just gonna do an oil change maybe, but that's it. I'm gonna get some spokies. Yeah, just, it's already lowered, whatever. I might just put some spokies and just enjoy it, you know? Yeah.
Oh.
Bro, I thought about it. If I sell it, I'm not gonna find one that clean. Come, Josh, come spray, come. Come, let me open this up, come. Okay, squeeze it, hard. Okay. Wait, one, let go. Okay, go, let's go. Watch it. Do the car, rim. Squeeze hard. All right, ready? Go. Go all over. Oh yeah. All right, so come, ready? Side by side. Tires, yeah, to the rim. Whoa. All right, let's do the top. I'm gonna pick you up, ready? Okay, go to the top. Whoa. Look at all the dirt, so much dirt. Do the bumper. Oh yeah. Whoa, hey! Yo, not us. Okay, stop. Oh, that feels so good. You're soaking data, you're soaking me. Oh, I just took a shower. You soak yourself? Bro, this is so dirty. Hard work, eh? 2025 or 2024, I think. Rolls-Royce Ghost Batch, Black Badge. Black Badge. Mouth is a little dry today, I need more water. Black Badge all complete for our boy Sonny. He owns Unified MMA. So you guys see all the events that we're at. You know, we're always supporting the crew.
And you did a
This
sponsor.
is
Did you have your logo on?
Yeah, we sponsored it last year. We had our logo and everything on the actual fight floor, all over the TVs and stuff. It was pretty sick, bro. So this one we did, obviously decon, clay, multi-step polish, full body PPF, including all the exterior trims, blacked out the reflector with gloss black PPF. These are the carbon wheels. I don't know if you looked at it close before, but they're the carbon wheels on the Black Badge. But yeah, now the car is protected. At least you can wash it easier. The black obviously is way more vivid. You already know, we always tell you guys ceramic coat your vehicles, PPF your full bodies if you have a car this caliber. Yeah, it's very expensive. So the other one on the other side, good thing it had PPF. There's some small stuff that happened to the side, sadly, but PPF saved it. So the 2 doors, you seen that one's a Black Badge as well, but that one has the full Mandarin interior, so full orange interior. This one has a black and red, beautiful combo. I would have, if I spec'd it, it would have been all blood red. You know that? Really? Yeah, like if I was gonna go the red route, I would have went the whole thing, bro. I would have done the roof, A pillars, B pillars, C pillars, everything would have been all just bleeding on this, like steering wheel. It would look sick. Just black and then murdered out tints. Yeah, take a look at this thing. We got a lot more work coming in. It's summertime now, so make sure you guys hit us up. The paint has dulled out, obviously from sitting outside. Usually it's a very, very bright, it is a bright color, right?
Yes.
It's obviously not as bright as it should be because of how dull it is. And then the scratches that are all over it, because I guess they just got used to just like wiping it down. I don't know, whatever it is, but we're gonna fix that. You can see all the tires, but look, but you see the tires?
Oh, they're done.
Yeah, and they're from 2015. So,
Oh
yeah,
yeah.
the DOT is 2015 or 2016, yeah. So it's been sitting for a very, very long time. So we're gonna restore this. You can see all this stuff caked all in here. The seats are all just mangled, but this is just, I try to push this back, but everything was just taken apart. What's that? I guess it's the glue that was stuck against that to hold it up, but this was all dropped. It's all out, give it a nice detail. Get some screws and caps for the door handles. I don't know, man. Pop the back there. I want to see the front. But look, even the badges have all faded out. So we're ordering new badges, ordering new, I'm ordering new wiper arms. So you see there's leaves everywhere. Just look inside. I don't even.
Yeah, like how do leaves and everything get in there?
I guess it was all here. So when they opened it, it just
Oh yeah, maybe.
flew in. You got an OG 407 pass? Wow.
Oh, that's vintage.
That's ancient, bro. Ancient.
That's sick.
Hold on. Let me get you the keys and we will open up the engine bay. So if you look in here, just look at all this sitting inside, and then the entire engine bay is just completely dirty, and again, leaves stuck in between the headers and everything. It's just a bunch of debris. So when you turn it on, it just smells like it's catching on fire.
Probably is.
Probably. So the Maserati, same thing. There was a bunch of burnt ones that were all collected at the bottom. So it's obviously sitting on the collectors and wherever, and just it's burning.
Sick car though. You used to see a lot of these, and now you don't even see a lot of them.
Yeah, bro. The
Rarely.
UGR versions of these are crazy. They're like 2,000 horsepower. All day they were taking a beating, you know? Yeah, everything's gonna get polished and cleaned up. So stay tuned for that one. Oh yeah, she's a little bit lower. I filled in the gap a bit. I don't know, my boys was a little bit more slammed than this. Yeah.
You can only get a finger.
Yeah. Steering wheel.
Was that the steering wheel
It's locked.
you got last year?
Yeah.
Oh, you never put it on?
Steering wheel on the short shifter. You can see it through there. Just a regular shifter. This is a short shifter in there. Yeah, there you can see the steering wheel there and the short shifter. Full on shifter change. And it's a nice ball now.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
Right? What's going on?
Yo, brother.
Another day?
Another $1.
Another $1. That's it. I gotta ask. I try to get a hold of my boy after to see what he did different.
Yeah.
Cause his is like right, like slammed.
I'm curious because, like I said, this thing is like max.
It's maxed out, right?
Nothing left.
Hopefully I ordered the same one. I mean, these bolts are all pretty much the same.
They are a little bit different. I mean, look at the iBox stuff. It says does not fit 706.
Really?
Yeah.
Because the one that I sent you was the one that I ordered, I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
right? So I mean, they're all pretty much the same, but
Yeah, I mean, you know what you're doing.
yeah.
So it's,
Now I got to do everything carbon. I was like, I'm gonna get one thing carbon. I'm gonna want to do everything carbon after, you know? Yeah, I know. I held off for too long not putting carbon on this car, you know?
Yeah.
The tires are gonna be burnt out in maybe a month, and then I'll throw some I'll throw some 355s on the back because they're 325s. It's not it, because even stocks are 335, right? Yeah, the stock ones that were on here are 335s, but he went 325 with this setup because again he was super slammed.
Yeah.
That's why. So if we have this much room still, I'm gonna go. I'll go with 335. Yeah, 355. You have to cut the corners.
That is what it is.
But it's fiberglass. I mean, you could do it. I just, again, the car's you know, like go and start cutting, like you devalue it. I don't want to devalue it, you know?
I mean, if you're keeping the car forever.
I mean, yeah, that's true. Ooh, this thing just looks so shiny in here. Every time I turn the corner, I keep forgetting this is in here.
That's right here.
This Maserati is getting a full like restoration too. One of the Hells Angels guys. It was sitting for a few years, yeah. Restoring it, the paint was just obviously faded and all the wrap stuff was just completely demolished. Yeah, so we deconned it, we clayed it, polished it. Roof and the hood where it had the carbon fiber wrap, it actually stained the clear coat. So we're trying to see what we could do with that. We tried a little wet sand and it's burned right through. So worst case, the roof we might just wrap in gloss black. The hood we might just repaint, because even though this had PPF, like it was garbage. We actually removed the PPF that was here. The PPF line, if you look at it, where the discoloration is.
Oh, I see it.
You see it?
Yeah.
So it was like across, like it chipped here because the line like stopped here.
Yeah.
It chipped here. This is why we say the stupid half nose thing is not worth it. You see how it's yellowed here? And this is where the PPF was. So the PPF saved it, even though the wrap was on top. But this already had a chip through the paint. I don't know from what. Again, the car's been sitting for quite some time. So we removed the PPF. It obviously saved the color, but either way, we're gonna paint this what it looks like, and then leave the roof and just wrap the roof. But the PPF job was horrible, bro. Like dirt everywhere. Lines are like.
With PPF, do you have to ever replace it, like after a certain amount of years?
You can, like if you've had it for like, bro, like over 10 years, the car sits outside or whatever. But these guys that are PPFing their full body, bro, these are guys that have, you know, higher end cars. They're not driving it every day. They're not dealing it all the time. They're not freaking winter driving it all the time. So it'll last you forever, bro. And material has just gotten better and better, right? Over the years, you know, stuff that used to yellow and stuff, that's kind of just out of the market now, right? Yo, what Maserati is this? Oh yeah, Gran Turismo, but I can't even keep up.
I've never seen this.
Yeah, there's not, I didn't really see too many of these before. This is the Mandarin one that we're telling you about. So the door, it's already done, put back together. He's just heating up the edges, but we saved the car by obviously PPFing the car. If we didn't have it, it would have scratched the original paint, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed all that content. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for next week. Let's get it.